السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
Good morning.
Good morning, mister.
How are you, Abdurrahman?
I'm fine, thank you, mister.
Yusuf, Ayed, Walid. Okay,
Fine.
how are you today? What is our lesson today? 4.1 or 4-1. The title of the lesson is the reflection. Before we start our lesson, we have to make a warming up. The first question is name the order pair for each point on the grid. Point A, who can give me height? Can give me the order of the coordinates. Height,
Yes.
point A.
What?
What is the order pair of the A?
I don't know. Mister, I don't know.
Muhammad Hadi,
Yes, mister.
what is the order pair of the point A?
Minus, minus one, minus one, minus one,
Negative 1, not minus. I said many
negative
times
one,
negative 1
negative.
and 2. Faisal the Shok, Magdi, point B. Magdi,
Okay. Point B is x2 y minus 1.
negative 1. 2 and
That's
negative
1.
1 Magdi, okay? Muhammad Ali,
Yes, mister.
point C.
Uh, X negative 1, Y negative 2.
Negative 1 and negative 2. Point D, Yusuf Wael.
Yes, mister.
Point D,
-2 and -1.
negative 2 and negative 1. Okay, we want to find the slope of AB. Use the copybook to find the slope of AB. Start. Quickly.
Mister, I found it.
Wait, yeah. Hey guys, What is the slope of AB? يوسف سماحة. يوسف سماحة. فارس عمر.
Yes, sir.
The slope of AB.
Point A is
Yes, I know the
1
point
and
A
3.
and B.
Negative 1 and 3.
The slope.
That's direct slope. Okay, one second.
أحمد أحمد موسى.
I'll just enter that.
Okay. أحمد موسى.
Yes, sir.
What is the slope of AB? Slope of AB. أحمد موسى.
Yes, Mr.
What is the slope of AB?
2 and negative 1.
Slope of AB. You didn't take it before?
The can answer?
محمد هادي, wait. Ahmed Musa. What is the
Yes.
slope of AB? How many times we use the formula of the slope, Ahmed Musa? هادي دمنهوري. هادي. Open your camera, guys. All of you open your camera.
Okay, Mr. Gamal.
All of you open your camera. I am waiting. I am waiting for opening your camera.
Mister, can you see me?
All of
No.
you open your camera. Ahmed Musa, open your camera. عايد. Magdi.
Hello, Mister, do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, Mister.
Mister,
Okay.
sorry, my mic was not working.
Now it is working, huh?
Yes.
Magdi, open your camera. Abdurrahman Isam. يعني how many minutes you need to open your camera? We stay all the day to open your camera? All of you open your camera, please.
Sir, mine is open but doesn't show.
No, it is working now. Open your camera, Magdi. Ya Hadi. Magdi. What about the others? Only 12? We have 12? But I have 9. Open your camera. Muhammad Ali.
Mister, I think some people don't know that we have math because Professor Modi just started an English period.
What?
I think Faisal Madi doesn't know that we have math. He just started an English period.
English. And he's waiting there?
Yeah.
Where is Muhammad Ali?
Here, Mr. Here.
No, I'm talking about the oldest one. Where is Kareem?
I'm here,
Also
mister.
in the English period?
I'm here, mister.
Open your camera, please, yeah, Kareem. And if we finished the lesson of finding the distance between a point and line, or between two lines, and the first step, we have to find the slope. And now I am asking the students to find the slope by using the coordinates of 2 points, even that they don't know how to find it. What is the meaning of that?
Sir, I know.
What is the meaning of that? Can you tell me? Because I cannot understand. Why you don't know how can you find the slope by using the coordinates of 2 points? Can you tell me what is the reason for that? Try to explain it to me, to understand you. What is your problem? If you have the coordinates of the 2 points and you don't know how to find the slope, is it hard? I took it in grade 7, you took it in grade 8, I taught it for you, and I think the other students are from our side, our school, the newest students, they took it before. Even that I explained it maybe more than 20 times. And if I ask you to find the slope by using the coordinates of the 2 points and didn't answer me, what is the meaning of that? Can you explain it to me, please? Yusuf, what is the reason for that? And if you have the coordinates of the 2 points and you don't know how can you find? Can you explain it to me why? And please, all of you, open your camera. No need to repeat my words again. Open your camera. Yusuf Wael, can you
Yes,
tell
mister.
me what is the reason for that? You don't know how to find the slope?
I know, mister. I know how
You
to
know,
find.
Magdi? Okay, Magdi. Ahmed Musa, you don't know how can you find the slope from the 2 points? Or just you want to attend the class like watching the movie or the video? We are not in the cinema. After 1 week, you will have the final exam, the midterm final exam. You depend on the cheating? No one
Mister,
can
can
do
I go
that.
to the bathroom?
Can you tell me that, please? I'm shocked. How can you do that? Ahmed Musa, what is the formula for finding the slope of the 2 points? You don't know? Tell me. You don't know?
No, sir.
You don't know. Damanhuri, you don't know?
No, mister.
Know what?
I don't know, mister.
You don't know. استغفر الله العظيم من كل ذنب عظيم يا رب. Is it hard, Muhammad Ali, the newest students?
No,
Muhammad Ali, is it hard?
No, there is two ways to make it, and they are so easy.
2 ways?
Yes,
It's only 1 way.
no, sir, no, two ways. I know
You are
two ways.
talking about the graphically?
No, mister, it's one
No,
way.
the rise overrun, and the second way by 2 minus y1 over x.
The
Yes.
same, the
Yes.
same names. So what can I do? If you don't know, how can you find the slope? I cannot believe that. You are my student in grade 8 and the newest students, يعني, by the way, they are smart, very smart, mashallah. Touch wood. You are, you are sleepy? Muhammad, what is the formula of the slope by using the 2 points?
y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Is it hard, Muhammad?
No.
Why they said we don't know, mister? Ahmed Musa, can you open your camera, please? Please, no one close his camera. Karim will wait till the circle finished the moving. Karim Fathi,
Yes, mister.
what is your problem with your internet service?
Wait, I will turn it off and turn it on again.
Okay, Abdurrahman, please, Abdurrahman,
Yes,
help me. Is it hard to find the slope by using the?
No,
Mister, can you see now? I'm
It's
moving my
And
hand.
should I take all these minutes to blame you?
No, mister.
Damanhuri, can you tell me what is the formula for finding the distance between a point and line?
It's the
And
absolute
scratch
value of
your hair.
A
Yeah.
multiplied by B. Oh
Allah.
no, mister. A multiplied by X, I think.
You are not studying. Now I can
Mister.
understand. Now I can understand. You thought the teaching online, yani, like a funny movie. You are sitting with the teacher and talk with him. Ahmed Musa, please, sir, can you tell me what is the formula of the distance between a point and a line? Don't scratch your hair, please. Can you close your mic, close your camera, please? It is not working. Guys, I'm surprised. I'm shocked. I'm disappointed. That means all the classes which I gave it to you before, leave your camera open. Muhammad Hadi, please. I'll change the sharing
Okay,
to
what,
be.
mister?
Just wait, Muhammad. Can you see my screen, guys?
Yes.
What is the slope of AB?
Sister.
Damanhuri.
I answer.
Yes, Muhammad. Tell them
So
what can we do.
it will be -1.
Please, Muhammad, concentrate.
Sister, not -1.
2 minus -1, it is 3. And -1 minus 2, it is -3.
Negative 3.
3 over -3 is -1.
It's 1.
Yes.
Is it hard? What is the slope of AC? A and C. Yusuf, Habibi. Yusuf Samaha.
Yes, mister.
What is the slope of AC?
2 minus 2.
2 minus -2, please.
Yes. Yes,
is
2
4.
minus -2.
It is 4.
Yes.
-1 minus -1.
1. It's 2.
It's 0, yeah, Yusuf.
Oh, yes, mister.
So it is 4 over 0. It is infinity or unknown because this is a vertical line. Am I correct? Okay,
Yes.
BD guys, without calculating the slope. BD Karim, what is the slope of BD?
BD, mister.
Yes, sir.
Can do, hold on. BD
Can, by the
is
way,
-2 minus 0.
zero.
Wait,
It is
no, 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 no.
yeah, guys,
Hold on, I got confused.
It is a horizontal line, so the slope is 0.
Yes.
AC is a vertical line, so the slope is unknown or infinity. Okay. AD. AD, guys. AD. 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 Abdurrahman Isam.
Yes, miss, I'm solving it now.
What is the slope of AD, Isam?
1, mister. Oh, no, 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 no. Wait. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 over -1 plus 2. 3, mister.
Yes, sir. By the way, guys, and if I took this one, ثم ثم حول ولا قوة إلا بالله. You cannot see my screen, I think, huh?
No, mister, I can see it.
You are
No,
seeing on.
mister, I can't.
No, I'm talking about the board. You cannot see the board.
No, yes, mister.
Yeah, we can't.
So I will change the sharing, the share setting. Yes. Now you can see everything.
Yes,
Am I-
mister, we can see.
Yes, mister.
Yes, sir.
As Muhammad Hadi said, we have many ways. For example, if I want to find the slope of AD graphically, I can make a right triangle like this. Okay. Then rise overrun.
Yes.
It is positive or negative at first. It is positive. So count 1, 2, 3 over 1. So the slope is for AD is a 3. The slope of AD equals 3. AC, look at the AC, guys. This is AC. It is a vertical line. So the angle is 90. So the slope is undefined or infinite.
Yes.
Slope of DB or CB.
But mister, the horizon, oh, I don't know what's it like, the y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, that's easier, I think.
But if you have the graph, you have two ways. If you
Oh,
want to
okay.
use this way, okay. If you want to use this way, okay. But if you don't have the graph, or the graph is by the numbers are fractions or anything else, so you can use the formula. Is it easy, guys? Yes, mister. Of course, it is easy. So the answers are okay, guys. Yes, mister.
Mister,
Yes,
what's the
mister.
difference between 0 and undefined?
0 is 0, and defined means infinity.
Infinity, like.
Doesn't 0...
0 for
Okay.
the horizontal line, undefined for the vertical line. Okay, Abdurrahman,
Okay, mister.
is it clear?
Yes, mister.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Our lesson today is what? Reflection. The reflection. You know what is the reflection? It's like the mirror. Okay, guys?
Okay, mister.
Who
It's like
can read this question to understand what is the reflection? The crew of submarine submerged in water needs to be able to see the above the surface of the water using reflections, guys.
yes.
Using what? Reflection. I think you can see the reflection by using the mobile. If you are using the front camera or the back camera, sometimes you are seeing the pictures are flipped. Am I correct or not?
Yes.
The right is left and the left is right. The periscope was invented to meet this need. يعني. They did it because they cannot go up or above the water surface, okay, or the sea surface. So they are using the reflection. The solids are here, and then they want to see it. Okay, guys, what it is? Can you see this one? What it is?
It's an octopus, mister.
It's an octopus.
Octopus, okay. The long tube with the two mirrors parallel to each other, okay, and set at 45 angles to B. I think this is easy, يعني. It is not. Can you see it?
Launch the lesson. Teaching the mathematical practices.
Okay, mister. Now we understand what is the reflection. Okay.
Mister, I have a question about the exam this week. When should I ask you it? Like, there's something I don't understand.
Which one?
It's lesson 2.6, I think, or 2.4.
Yes.
2.4. Lesson 2.4. About the dilation and the reflection and all that. If you can remember it.
What I gave it to you, study it. If I ignored it, don't study it, okay?
Okay, mister, but there's like some things I don't understand.
Okay, we can explain it anytime, okay?
Okay.
Prepare it and give me the number of the page, then I can use it. Look at the figure, guys. Can you see it? You can
Yes, we
use
can see it.
to determine the relationships needed to perform reflection, then complete the exercises below. Okay, guys? The reflection, like you see, Ahmad Musa, this is the point AB, and the vertical axis or the y-axis, like the mirror. Like the mirror, if you want to find the image of AB by using the reflection on the y-axis, it is easy. Use the ruler and make a line, perpendicular line to the surface of the reflection, then extend it by the same distance. Here, this is the image of A dash. So can you count the units? 1, 2, 3. Count another 3 in the other side of the mirror. This is the mirror. It will be 1, 2, 3.
The same.
Yes. B, the image of it is B dash, guys. So I have many questions here. Can you see the figure? Okay, AB is the
Yes.
reflection. A dash, B dash segment is the reflection of the AB in the y-axis. Okay? What is preserved and what is changed by the reflection? Who can tell me? Do you understand what is the preserved? And it doesn't change. Preserved means doesn't change. What is the things doesn't change by using the reflection? Who can tell me?
The numbers.
the length of AB. The length of AB, like the length of A dash B dash. So the length is not changed, but what is it changed by the reflection? Huh? Who can tell me? No one.
Mr. The negative and positive, like the negative and plus, I think it changes.
So the length is not changing because the length is constant. Okay. Like what is the things are changed? The coordinates of the points or not? The coordinates of the points are changed or not?
Yes, Mr. They are
Yes.
changing.
Okay, and the direction of the is changed because here it is positive, but the
Yes,
image
is
is
negative.
negative. Okay, so AB have the same length of A dash, B dash. A and A dash are equidistant. You understand what is the meaning of equidistant, guys? Huh? You know what the meaning of equidistant?
Like they are changed.
No, they have the same distance from the points to the y-axis. Look at the distance between the point A and the y-axis. It is 1, 2, 3 units.
Yes.
What is the distance between A dash and the y-axis? 1, 2, 3. So we can say AP congruent with A dash P. We can say equidistant, يعني they are in the same distance from the point B or from the y-axis.
Mr.
You
They are.
understand? Yes.
Mr. They are the same distance. It can be the same length or no?
No. The point doesn't have a length.
Yes.
It doesn't have a length. Okay. We are talking about the distance from the point to the y-axis
But
and the distance from the image to the y-axis. They have the same distance or not?
Yes.
So we can say A and A dash are equidistant. Equidistant means what? They are lying on the same distance from the axis of the reflection. Like B and B dash. How many units from B to the y-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how many units from B dash to the y-axis? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The same distance or not?
Yes.
So we can say B and B dash are equidistant. Equidistant means they are in the same distance from the y-axis.
And
Okay,
Mr.
guys?
The professor vid and they are the same length.
Yeah. Yes. AB and AB dash. Okay. Okay, guys. Exercise 3. No need. Done.
Mr. Jamal,
Yes, sir.
Abdulaziz Majdi can't enter the class.
I opened the setting of the class.
Yeah, he can't enter. He's telling me.
What is wrong? Tell him if he cannot join to the class, he can see the recorded video. Okay. Okay, guys. طيب. Read the question, guys. Consider quadrilateral RSTV has a vertices or the vertices at R, blah, 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 S, T, and V. Determine the coordinates of the vertices of the image after each reflection. In the line y equals -1. Look at where the y equals -1, guys. This one, this line. dashed line. Okay. How can I find the reflection? Can you see the screen, guys, or not?
Yes, we can see it.
Yes,
Okay.
mister.
How can you find the reflection or the figure of the reflection? Look at the point V, for example. Count the units to the line of reflection. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? How many
Okay.
units?
Okay,
4.
4.
4.
Count 4 in the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what is the image of the point V? This is the V dash. What is the coordinates of V dash, guys? The point
Uh,
is located for the on my mouse. Huh?
5 and negative
5.
5.
5 and yes, negative 5.
5 and negative 5.
Yes.
Okay. So what is the image of the point D? Count how many units to the surface of the line of reflection. 1, 2,
5.
3. Oh, so, oh, sorry. The first one we put it is T dash, guys. Okay. V.
Mm. I
What
think
is the
it's
image of
4.
V?
Negative 3,
4.
mister, I think.
No, how many? How many units are at first, Karim?
4.
What
4.
do you mean?
1, 2, and 3, 4. Sorry.
4.
Count another 4 units. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is what? The V
Negative
dash.
3.
So this is the V dash. Where is the T dash? Here, sir. So this is the V dash, and this is what? The T dash. What is the coordinates of the image of S? S dash. 1, 2, 3, 4,
5.
5. So count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is here. What is or what are the coordinates of the negative the S dash? It is 2 and negative 6. Am I correct or not? By
Yes.
this way you can
Yes.
solve it. Who can answer this question? The image will be a quadrilateral in the huh, the first, the second,
In
the
the,
third, or the
in the
fourth
third.
quadrant. The what? Fourth,
The,
because it is
okay.
here in the first. When you make the reflection on this line, it will be here in the fourth quadrant. Okay?
Oh,
The side length will be, or will, sorry for that. The side length will be preserved or changed.
prev, pre,
The side
preserve.
length
Preserved.
Preserve.
preserved. Okay.
Yes.
And
Yes.
doesn't it change? Yeah. Like, can we
Yes.
check our answer? Yes.
No, no, mister.
Oh,
Uh,
sorry. I forgot this one. Sorry. And the angle measure will what, mister?
uh, change.
Change.
Yeah, راجل. Are
Mister,
you
you
sure?
said, uh,
No, I am talking about the angle, the measure of the angles for the figure.
Oh, no, it won't.
no.
If the
Ah,
length doesn't change, the angle is still the
yeah.
same.
So we can say the reflection preserved what? The
Uh,
length and the measure of the angles. Can we
mm,
check?
yes.
Yes. Okay, guys. Type. Press quadrant to draw the image. So it will be uh, RSTV after reflection will be in the fourth, as I think we said it before.
Yes.
Sorry. We changed the line. X equals negative 2. Can we go
Okay.
to see?
The
X
first
equals
one,
negative 2.
mister. Oh, mm.
Can you see the figure, guys? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. What is the next? This is X equals negative 2. Can you see the figure, mister, after the reflection on the y equals x equals negative 2?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see it?
Mm. It will be the same, mister.
Yes, will be the same. So the length doesn't change. The angles doesn't measure, the angle
Proportions
measure
are
doesn't change.
reversed.
Okay, but what? The
The
quadrant will be changed. It is
yes,
what it was in the first, it will be in the second.
second.
Okay, sir, can you see
Yes.
it well? Okay, guys, open your camera, please. I think the period had finished or not.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, I think now I give you a hint or some introduction for the reflection. Inshallah, we'll complete tomorrow. Please,
Mr.
please try to concentrate with me. Try to see the recorded classes.
Mr.
I'm sorry if anyone is sad from my words or anything, but I love you all. You are my sons. Yes, Karim.
Mr. Can you revise on the lesson 2-1 like later on?
2-1. What is the title of the 2-1?
Angles and congruence.
Okay.
And
Don't
Because
also
worry.
2-4,
I'm
Mister.
also I'm also a
What
little
are
bit
you going
confused.
to ask me is done.
Thank you, Mr. No problem.
Any one of you, not only Karim. Okay, guys. Thank you.
Okay,
Have a nice
Mister.
day. Goodbye. See you tomorrow, inshallah.
Goodbye.
Bye, Mister.
Goodbye, Mr.
Bye, Mr.